Howdy folks, Mikey Swartz here doing a first time ever cell phone video on my YouTube channel. Whew, and look at my hair. Had it up in a man bun today just to keep it out of my face, but then I was too embarrassed to show myself on YouTube with a man bun. So this is how it's gonna be, because I just took it out and now it's kind of fucked. But anyway, I'm out here with Tacundra. How about it, you guys? Tacundra. Let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Tacundra. It does run, and it does have a 5.7 liter V8 3URFE engine out of a Toyota Tundra. I have to say all that so the YouTube robots will pick it up and know that it's actually something that's in the video. So I don't know if you know this or not, the truck's been in limp mode, or what I would call limp mode. I looked this all up though. Toyota calls it fail-safe mode. Fail-safe. And I wasn't sure if it was actually in fail-safe mode or what, so I've been trying to test and figure all this out. I finally found a list of DTCs that would put it into fail-safe mode. So I had a P0031 and P0051 for air-fuel ratio sensors. That would be upstream O2 sensors, basically. And I thought, well, whatever, you know, that shouldn't put it in limp mode, but I found out it will put it in limp mode. So after a lot of testing and thinking and grinding on this, I realized that yes, it is in limp mode. I even tried different throttle body just to test it. I took one off the X Runner, and I tried a different gas pedal off the X Runner to see if that would work. I also looked it up. All the parameters are the same for the throttle bodies and the throttle pedals. So I rolled all that out, started looking more into this air fuel ratio stuff, found out that there is a fuse right about here. Okay, this is in the Tacoma fuse box, of course, and that is for the air fuel sensors, and that fuse was blown. So I was pretty amped to see that. Put a new fuse in, and it blew again as soon as I turned the truck on. So I crawled under the truck, took a look at the air fuel sensors, and checked this out. Passenger side air fuel sensor, look at how bent. Now that was from the crash that the Tundra was in before I put the engine in the Tacoma. So I didn't change that, but apparently it's gonna need changed. So I just checked the local Advance Auto and AutoZone, both have this in stock. So I'm gonna get one, but not today because it's July 4th and it's after hours. So gonna have to wait till tomorrow, but I'll get that bad doggy and fix it. I know this is the problem because I unhooked it and the fuse doesn't blow. So I double checked everything. That's definitely it. So as soon as I get a new one, hopefully this thing comes out of limp mode and we can actually get it to rip. BT dubs, while I'm under the truck here, I didn't really mention it, but I did get my drive shaft and I did bolt it in there. So that's all good. I think I skipped a lot of videos because I was really super excited, you guys, to get it running. So I actually skipped a lot of this stuff once I had it running because I just wanted to make like a running video and do the Hallelujah and We Are the Champions song, you know. But anyway, crawl up from underneath here. Look how sweet this is, BT dubs. Look at this, just nothing hanging down. Oh my God, it's so tucked. I'm so fucking amped. And look, now this thing's out of the garage, like the front wheels kicked forward, looks so sick, you guys, so sick, you know. And then when I make fenders, I'm gonna chop these out like blow, but I'm gonna cut them like way up high so they're like really blowed out. It's gonna be nice. I got plans for a front bumper. It's gonna be so fucking sick, like way cooler than the old one. And the bed is getting chopped up right now. I was trying to work on this bed, but I just couldn't get the, you know, like the engine not running right. I was just like, I can't focus on the bed when the engine is not right. So I really hope this air fuel sensor totally fixes it up. I think it's gonna, I really do. So if it does, you're gonna see like a hot lap video pretty soon, hopefully tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Thanks for tuning in to Tacundra.